about stars.
I know I do.
What is it? What's the science project?
We're here.
It's about stars.
Come on.
Get in here.
Get in here. Make her like really tiny.
Red wine.
Please explain how stars form.
Well, first of all, you've got the Big Bang, and you've got expansion of the universe,
Right.
and matter flying apart, and you've got some clumps form through gravity, making stars.
Stars form from the pillars of creation, or the nebula, which are towering clouds of hydrogen and dust. This is where all the stars are first created. The nebula is about 121 light years across.
The nebula begins to shrink under the pull of gravity. Gravity pulls apart the clouds of dust and creates smaller clouds of dust over millions of years. Just one pillar of creation can create as many stars from a few to thousands of stars.
The stars start out their lives in the coldest temperatures, about hundreds of degrees below Fahrenheit. As gravity compresses them, the temperature begins to rise and rise. It takes a few 100,000 years before the cloud begins to form a flat disk. Gravity then begins to make the center of the disk into a sphere, where temperatures skyrocket to about 2 million degrees. This sphere is known as a protostar.
The center of the disk keeps rising and rising with temperature until it hits about 18 million degrees. Thermonuclear fusion then begins to happen, where two hydrogen atoms collide into each other and create helium atoms.
I think that was a perfectly adequate response.
Yeah.
Can you please explain to me thermonuclear fusion?
Thermonuclear fusion?
Yeah.
Does it have to do with rockets? I would have to say like either nuclear plants or something with rockets or something. I have no idea.
Can you tell me what thermonuclear fusion is?
All right.
This thermonuclear fusion gives a star a constant source of light and heat. The center of the star pushes out from all the atoms bumping on the inside, while gravity is pushing it inward. This keeps the star balanced from not expanding or collapsing in on itself.
Really bright.
Can you tell me what star our sun is?
Nope.
Sun
It's helium.
Do you know what type it is?
Nebula
Type-
star?
You know I should know. I do crosswords.
I live in America. I don't live on
Helio
Earth.
just means sun.
Is he right?
Stars spend most of their life in the main sequence, where it provides the same amount of energy every day. Our sun is in the main sequence. A star's heat depends on the color it emits. Blue, white, or ultraviolet stars are the hottest, while red, orange, or yellow stars are cooler. The most common type of star is the red dwarf. Let's see. How do stars die? They get really old.
How do stars die?
It's called a nebula or an internal implosion. They implode.
That's what I said. I said that. I said they implode. I get one.
A supernova is the explosive death of a star. The force of a supernova generates an intense flash of light and radiation, as well as shock waves like sonic booms. The star starts to expand and the supernova occurs. After a supernova, stars can then become a black hole or a neutron star.
Stars can also fizzle out and die. As their core runs out of helium, the outer layers cool and become less bright until it becomes nothing. Only about 14% of all stars fizzle out and die.
I suck at science.
This is where all the
Well,
you card.
okay.
Nailed it.
Arden sucks.
Was old.
This is really embarrassing. I won't have the answer.
It's okay.
What is it? What's the science project?
All right. Can you
And what is this?
We can't see our main sequence star. Downtown, walking fast, faces passing them homebound. Doodle-doo-doo-doo.
Hey, look at this supernova. Just kidding, it's already